The Nuvo jSax is a fairly simple instrument and often doesn't require much in the way of repair and maintenance. However, sometimes things happen, especially since younger students tend to be using these instruments. Nuvo sells a school spares kit if you are using these instruments in schools that contains the common lost or broken parts that you might need. If you are using a class set of any of these instruments, I would recommend picking up a spares kit. It will give you peace of mind. The jSax comes with training wheels. You will notice them on the right hand. They are very simple to remove. Simply lift up and they pop off. There are 3 training wheels in total. On the back of the training wheels is a little number to help you reattach them. When reattaching, simply look for the small side and attach to the body of the instrument. These training wheels make it much easier for a student to initially learn how to play the instrument because they don't have to worry about closing the hole. If you lose these training wheels, Nuvo would be happy to send you a new set of keycaps. Contact your Nuvo distributor if you need them. The jSax has some O-rings on the neck of the instrument. If these are broken, you can simply replace them. In order to keep them easily attachable, you can use some grease provided by Nuvo or some Vaseline. Simply rub lightly on the O-rings or right inside the body of the instrument. Periodically, you will need to check the reed to make sure that it isn't bent or chewed, especially if you are using them with students. Just because they are synthetic reeds doesn't mean they last forever. You should be able to get a few months out of a single reed if you don't bend it or chew it. Here is an example of a new reed, and here is what one looks like when it has been chewed. I recommend keeping the mouthpiece cover over the reed when the instrument is not in use to help prevent damage between playing. There are a few extra reeds and mouthpiece covers in the spares kit. When changing the reed, simply lift up on the lever and slide the reed away from you. On the back of the reed, there's a notch that helps guide it into place. Simply press the lever and slide the reed towards you until you feel it hit the instrument. Then it is in line and you're ready to use it. If you are noticing any problems with your low notes, it could be a problem with the G# key. I would recommend checking underneath the key to make sure there is no debris and maybe give it a quick rinse. If air is leaking out of this key, it will affect the rest of the low notes. If the G# key breaks off completely, Nuvo has additional videos if you want to try the repair at home. Nuvo can send you the replacement parts. You can find contact information on our website or listed in the video description.